best school year. Bunny hopped with books so bright. Monkey laughed with pure delight. Foxy wrote with colors new. Bear said, I'll help all of you. Kitty smiled, let's work together. School is fun in any weather. They shared crayons, red and blue, learning numbers 1 and 2. Recess time was best of all. Monkey climbed the playground wall. Bunny jumped, Foxy ran fast. Kitty giggled, fun couldn't last. Bear brought snacks for